Howdy guys, so today I got a Redragon mouse and headset, which is the one I'm using the mic for right now, for a grand total of $1.56. So I'll show why and how good they are. So yeah.
Alright, so we got an unboxing station, I suppose. Okay, so actually, let me see if I can just peel this sticker off. It's very stuck on there, like most stickers should be, but I think I can. Oh, alright. Now I actually don't know which way is on top and which is on bottom. Uh, Pull this silly thing out. Oh, okay, so I think this is the bottom. Ooh. Dude, that. No, no, no. Yo, wait. Okay, that looks like almost identical to the one mouse I used to have. Oh, this feels nice, dude. Hold up, move this out of the way. Very good at drag clicking. Nice scroll wheel. I think that's probably a DPI button. Yo, dude, that is nice. Holy. And of course it is wired because I got it for 10 bucks. I'd like to get a CPS test on that. I can probably do that sometime later. But, oh yay, more Redragon stickers. This is the exact same ones that I got from my keyboard. But yeah, stickers, let's go. And then this is probably instruction manual. Left mouse button, right mouse button, scroll wheel, click with middle click, slide key. Oh, that's just the. Oh, that's like a fat click. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying, but like, it's not like the glorious one where if I just turn it off, it's more like an actual click. This is more like you have to push it farther. So honestly, I feel like this might drag click. This seems way more optimized for drag clicking, but obviously the glorious Model O is like the goat of butterfly clicking. It's just like so. Put that back down there. Um, Lighting. Yeah, suppose I'd probably better plug this in. So let's undo this, and then let me just replace this with my Bluetooth one. There. Okay. Oh, this is like, I guess like this little bit. I keep forgetting cameras like all over the place. This, I think this bit right here, it feels like so good, like ergonomically. If you're gonna grip it like this. So that is a DPI button. Okay. So I think that feels nice. Um, CPS test.org. Alright. Hold up. Display capture. Unhide it. Drag it over. There we go. Look at that. Alright. Easy 15 CPS drag. Hold up. Hold up. Oh shoot, my phone is falling out. There we go. Hold up, dude. Let me see butterfly. The cable gets in the way a lot. If I move it out, it's kind of fine. 11 CPS, not bad for like for first time using it. Okay. But then drag clicking. Hold up. Okay, so or like basic drag, short drag, I can get like 15 CPS easy. Okay, that's 13. Let me see if I just did like a really long drag. Oh, and then we got like the skates. Wait, do I have to peel anything off? I don't think I do. Alright, maybe I do. Oh, yes, I do. I always forget about that. And then it should glide like much better. Oh yeah, okay, let me turn the DPI down. Probably test it in Minecraft later. Okay, let's get the headset. But, alright, let's try this headset, I suppose. This is another sound slave. Okay, I have bad memories with this. Let me show you the other LTC. Um, so these were the earbuds that I got, also for free from Redragon. Um, I would show them, but they just do not like take a charge, or they take a charge, but like their battery lasts for what was it? Maybe like a minute at max, and then one of them would power off like almost instantly, and then the other would like power off right after. So, not the greatest, I'd say. I'm going to hope these are better than the other LTC Sound Slave product I have. Oh yeah, the reason why I had the $20 gift card was actually because of those free earbuds. I talked to Red Dragon support, and they just gave me a refund on an item that I got for free. So, hold up, I'm struggling here, guys. Oh, I can just peel this off. Yay! Oh, and look how smoothly that opens up. Okay. This time I'm going to open it from the top. Um, okay. Nothing else in the box. Okay. So let's see what this is. Was that the mic? Hold up, I think that the mic is like detachable. Okay, this is the mic. Whoa, it's kind of silly. Okay. Whoa. Ooh, okay, can you adjust this stuff? Oh, you can. It's actually much better than the current headset adjusting features. Okay, I should probably show it in the camera. Let me see. How well does it fit my head? The audio might sound a little silly because I'm currently using my headset mic, and I can't use that if I'm not wearing my headset. It'll just be hanging on the side. But let's try these on. Okay, they feel quite nice, actually, I'd say. Um, hold up, let me check something. So they fit me nice, and they feel nice. I don't know if it sounds nice. And then I think... Wait, the mic is on the right side. Oh, that is silly. What the heck, man? The mic goes on the right side. Okay, this actually fits pretty well. Let's see. I think this is dongle mode. I open the. Oh, we get a free USB-C to USB-A adapter. Oh, that's probably for this. Okay, so then if I did that, I can't just take out my. I have to use one of the other USB ports. Let's just take this mouse out for now, and then try this. Okay, wait. Let me put this mic back on. Alright. Okay, so we got a free USB-C to USB-A cable. Um, instruction manual. Alright. Attachment microphone, yep. Dongle, yep. USB, USB, adapter thing. MFB. Oh, that's click button. Okay, so click pause. Volume up and down. Shortcut volume plus, shortcut minus. Yep, makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna go eat dinner. And then I'm gonna charge this, which, oh wait, I can just, wait, if it just uses USB-C, right? Yeah. So I can just use the stuff that I already have. Alright, so once I get back, I'm going to test the mouse in Minecraft. I'm going to test the headset in just testing. I'm going to test the mic, and then let's hope it's all good. Alright.
Alright, so this is the new microphone. It is, from what I tried, it seems fine. Oh, let me, so let's join a random world. Oh yeah, I was using this a bit earlier. And look at the bottom right. I'm able to max at like 22 CPS on a long right-click drag. Let me turn this noise suppression thing back on. Oh, honestly, that actually works very well. Dude, wait, that is... Why is there a rabbit on the tree? Hello, sir. How are you doing? Um, basically, this is very good for drag clicking. As you can see, and maybe hear. Actually, no, I have the noise suppression on, so you probably can't hear. Oh yeah, this mic makes a lot of static, but then if you use, what's it called? If you use, like, an external, noise suppression, which I can use through Streamlabs, that, fixes it. Which, it was, like, horrid before, so it's nice. Or if I could Godbridge, I would show that. But since I can't really do that, it's fast enough to keep up with flying speed. Yeah, I believe this is actually a better microphone, or a better headset than my other one, which is nice. I might make some silly videos on the mouse, because I could do like a hold up. I could do a $1 versus $10 versus $100 mouse. Not exactly correct numbers, but whatever. Um, that could be kind of funny. Um, and yeah, so that's pretty cool.